are yellow. Lemonade and scrambled eggs are yellow. I like the smiley face that's yellow. He is such a happy fellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow.
What about red? What about red? What about purple? What about blue? What about green? What about black?
R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D. R-E-D.
Purple. How about purple?
I don't think I have a purple song.
P-R-P-L-E. Is that it?
P-U-R-P-L-E.
What about blue? B-L-U-E.
B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi, ho, did you know?
B-L-U-E spells blue.
B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi, ho, did you know? B-L-U-E spells blue. The
ocean is
blue. I can't remember. What
the sky is blue.
the ocean is too. How did you know? B-L-U-E spells blue.
Do you have one for turquoise?
Now it's time for the kids first. B-L-U-E spells blue. Then it was just the music, and it wasn't telling you what the words were.
Oh my God.
You had to sing them yourself.
Oh.
Try to remember.
What about
Challenging.
Remember.
Mother of Pearl?
Did you have to sing it to each other's?
Others?
Each other's. She said. We just loved each other.
What's going on?
Change up. Change up.
She's super into this. Danny, do we love each other?
We love each other so much.
Right. You just said each other. Say it.
We love each other too much.
I think you should compose a song, Danny. She's real good at it.
Just like her prayers.
Look at that gigantic muffin top.
I pray that we all take care of the earth.
We all take care of the grass and all the beautiful flowers that you made for us.
Joe, why?
I didn't mean to. It's not a bad thing.
It hurt the crayon. The crayon's gonna cry. It's crying. Saying, don't put any spray Band-Aid on me. Don't do it.
That's it.
Don't put any liquid Band-Aid on me. It'll hurt. I'm gonna cry. Yeah.